In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best pocket option discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for pocket option discount code. Right here, scroll down a little bit until you should be able to find this website, which is called withrift.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this, let's say 80% discount off, all you need to do right here is select copy code. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply tap on it to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one in order to get that 80% discount. So also going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website, which is called couponchief.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with a 50% bonus, you can simply select get promo code from right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply it on your next purchase to get that 50% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.